Okay, I have observed in about 2 weeks plus that whenever I turn on the air conditioning system in the car, I don't get cool air from the vents. It actually started by one side, this side not producing as cold air as this other side, but now both sides, um, the air coming out of it is not as cold as it used to be when the AC the AC button is engaged. So that's an indication that the gas level in the air conditioning system is running low. So today I will quickly add some gas into the system and then come back to test. See, both sides are not as cold as it should. Though this other side, the air I'm feeling here is still a little bit, it's still a little bit cooler than this other side. Especially when the sun is out, it's not cold at all. It's not useful. So today I'll top up some gas, put some gas into the system, and come back to test it again. Okay, so if you're to perform this exercise for yourself, there is one basic thing you need to confirm before even getting started. That is the kind of gas that they should use, and you can confirm that in almost all cars. There is a little information, a little inscription, something like this, from where you can confirm the kind of gas that your car should be using. In my case, you see say type HFC 134A. See, that's the type of gas, and I have this bottle. You can also see it's 134A gas. 134A. So you must confirm the the kind of gas, the class of gas you are to use in topping up. In most cars it is 134A, but however, don't just take that. You have to confirm for your particular make and model of car before going on to perform this exercise. Secondly, there are this is where the gas will be filled in from into the system from. There are actually two, the high and the low line, the high pressure line and the low pressure line. The low pressure line, the pipe for the low pressure line is always bigger in size than that of the high pressure line. Topping up gas or refilling gas is always done most preferably through the low pressure line. And the common equipment that you need, it's something like this. For me, I have this sort of equipment. Is really good. I've used it before, and now I'm going to use it again. This side goes into the gas can, and this other side goes into the low pressure line. So let's get started. Okay, all you need to do is push it in and release the cap. Having done the setup, the next is to turn on the engine and turn on the AC system, and then release some gas into the system. So the engine is on. You can see there is no air coming out. Turn on there is flow of air now. Next step, turn on the AC, and then also turn on this button. In my case, I have the maximum AC button indicated as max AC. So I'll turn it on, then go to the setup point. Now you see that the gas level in the system, in the AC system, is low, as indicated by the meter, by the gauge. This gauge is telling us that the gas in the system is low. So what I'll do now is to punch open this and let some gas, as the engine is running, some gas will flow from the can into the bottle, and anywhere around this green zone, is actually good enough. So I won't want it to get to the eye level, to the very eye level, but somewhere in between, maybe 40, 50 will be okay. Also, I can feel that the pipe is getting cooler and cooler. The low pressure pipe is getting cooler as the indicator gets to the green zone further. So I'm just going to raise some more. I'll close it. I've turned off supply now, so see the level has gone up a little bit. Okay, back in the car. Oh, see the level of coldness or cold air coming into the car is pretty good now. It's pretty good now, and it's balanced on both sides.
So this side is also pretty cool, just as this other side. Yeah, this is also cold, and the air coming in from here is also cold. Okay, so basically what I've done is confirm the class of gas as indicated in the inscription beside the air and the high and low inlets. First of all, you have to confirm the class of gas and then get a bottle of gas. In most cases, you might not even need the whole, might not need to empty the whole can of gas into the system, depending on the level of gas in your system. And I advise that you have an indicator or a meter, a gauge, just as I've shown earlier, and then pretty just apply or put the gas, as was shown. That's all. Now, one thing I noticed when the gas level is low or is getting low in the AC system is that the amount of air coming, the amount of cool air or the rate of cool air flowing into the car became a little bit different with these two channels. That's one thing I noticed. So now I have pretty cool air coming in, and that's just okay. So thank you for your time.